Alright guys, today we're going to be continuing with the second conditional, but this time we're going to be asking questions. So we're using the same structure as before. Would plus the infinitive, followed by if and the past simple of the verb that you want to use. Okay? So a simple example, would you buy a house if you won the lottery? So if the question starts with would, it's generally going to be a yes or no answer, and that's it. So you could say yes I would or no I wouldn't, making sure to use the same words from the question. Okay, so you want to make sure you use that would. So to make these questions, the verbs here can change, so the infinitive and the past simple verbs can change, but you need to have would and if in the question for it to be a second conditional. Okay, so these two verbs can change, but these two must be in the question. So now, we can use these questions with a question word as well, like how, when, what, who, and any other ones that you can think of. Okay, so that will just go on the front. I've written some examples over here. So, number one, what would you buy if you won the lottery? Okay, so now these questions require a bit more explaining. It's not going to be just a yes or no answer. So you would say, I would buy, or the contraction of I would, I'd buy a house, I'd buy a car, or you could also say I'd donate money to charity, or anything you can think of really. And number two, how would you feel if you won the lottery? So once again, I'd feel, or I'd be happy, I'd be nervous, I'd be excited, anything you can think of. And last one, when would they arrive if they left now? So they would arrive, or they'd arrive in 1 hour, 2 days, 30 minutes. You can make it up really. So this just goes to show that you can use any of these question words to change the kind of question you want to ask. And if you notice, so the verbs in green always change. So the infinitive and the past simple. But I always have would and if. Okay, always need would and if together.